Welcome back to my channel and let's make it happen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick little pair of earrings. So what you'll need, I got some earring little butterfly wings at Hobby Lobby, and I just love butterflies. Kind of enamel on little metal teardrop, and looks like a little butterfly wing. And I got Lieberbeck earrings in copper. I'm going through a copper phase right now. Got those the Hildy and Joe brand from Joann's. Today I will be using round nose pliers and regular nose pliers and a couple of O-rings. So let's get started. So today, this is just going to be a quick little easy project. These are freshwater pearls. I was thinking about trying to find a way to put the freshwater pearls on there, but I decided that I didn't like that. So these came with a little O-ring, and I'm going to use my pliers and just grab this, take that off there, and I'll get my new one. Now the reason I'm using two is because you have to pay attention to the way that the circle is on your earring post. So this one's going this way, so this jump ring will go this way. So I'll just show you as I go along. So it will be facing the wrong way if you don't put two of them. And I have actually not paid attention before. When I started out being new, there's a hole in there. So obviously you can't move that hole. So obviously when you wear your earring, you're going to want it facing this way, which means your circle has to go this way. So if you were to hook on this now, this goes the same way, which means it would turn, and which means when you put them on, it would be facing off to the side of your head, which that wouldn't be good. So what you do, you put a second O-ring on there, and then we're going to close this up. You just bend one forward and one back until they are perfectly lined up. And I found once you separate them that they come apart a little bit. So you just squeeze it a little bit. There we go. Now, I'm going to grab the second O-ring. I want to carefully open that up. Anytime you're dealing with an O-ring. Now, you want to make sure that this is facing towards you so that you face it in the right direction. My pliers are in the way. You don't want a big pair of pliers, just actually I have a smaller pair. Now, see how quick and easy that was? And I think it goes good with that. Now we will quickly make the other one. Do it just the same way. Now I take those off carefully because I can use those in another project. You always be as conservative as you can. One, I think that's just being a good steward of your money. But why waste it? You don't. Oops. And I forgot to put the second one on. So that lined up good. Okay, now we will grab the second O-ring, jump ring, and then I will test it out. That is facing me. So then we will look at that. And you got a beautiful pair of earrings. Now I was going to, these are freshwater pearls, and they actually match the blue in here really good. I was going to bend this and make my own little O-ring, so that I could hook it to that. But then, see, sometimes you can test it out without actually having to bend it, but see, then it will, the only O-ring you can hook it to is that one. And then it would come forward where that's showing, and I don't know. Now it just looks kind of more like a weird berry. I might still do that, but I think I like it better off of there. See, sometimes I will put one together, and if I have two different ideas, sometimes I will make the second one with my other option and then put them side by side and see which one I like better. And see, I think I want the focal point to be the wing itself, so I think I will leave that up there. And the way this is, if you can see, this color blue is right there, so I think I would wear them just like that, where it looks like the wings are going out. And there you go. Easy. I really do like these lever back kind. They stay on your ear really good and you don't have to worry about them. This is the other fish hook back that I use also, and these work really good too. I do like that center circle can open up so you could hook it. See, actually, if I had that, you could have hooked it right there to begin with, and then that would, see, then you get that much metal sticking up in the center of that. but I like the way these turned out. And that is all for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.